Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a very simple 22 karat gold pendant. Ensure that the size of the gold plate is equal to the die size. Make sure you put a thick paper or cloth above the gold plate before you start hammering it. This will ensure that there are no marks of the hammering tool in the gold plate. Now cut the edges properly. Thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.